All right, so let's solve a simple problem which appeared in JEE Main 2019. And if you just know one expression, then you would be able to solve this problem under 1 minute. So what is the expression which you need to know? So this formula, which is like this, which is sine of 60 degree minus theta into sine of theta into sine of 60 degree plus theta is actually equal to sine 3 theta by 4. If you know this formula, then this problem is solved under 1 minute. So you observe this is the product which you are supposed to evaluate, and this sine theta 30 degree can be kept at one end, and then you look at sine 50 degree, which could be written as sine 60 degree minus 10 degrees. Then you write sine 10 degrees, and then you would write sine 70 as sine 60 plus 10 again. Once you write this, you will see that this is what is this expression, sine 60 degree minus theta. In place of theta is 10. This is sine theta, and this is sine 60 degree plus theta. So that is nothing but sine 3 theta by 4, right? So this is sine 30 degree into sine 3 theta, which is sine of 3 times 10 degrees, up whole thing divided by 4. So this expression becomes sine square 30 degree upon 4. Now sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 whole squared into 1 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 16. And that is all your answer. So 1 by 16 is your answer. In this question, there is nothing much. Only if you know this formula, this is 1 minute job. So that's all for this question. But do remember this expression, because on this expression, there has been a lot of questions asked. So this one and the other one, which is cos of 60 degree minus theta into cos theta into cos of 60 degree plus theta. That is actually equal to cos 3 theta by 4. And of course, you can understand if you are writing this as tan of 60 degree minus theta into tan theta into tan 60 degree plus theta. That will be simply tan 3 theta, because this 4 will get cancelled. And cot of the other like expression, cot of 60 degree minus theta into cot theta into cot 60 degree plus theta will be cot 3 theta. Okay. So yeah, this is what is the formula here. If you remember this, this is a very nice question to attempt in 1 minute. All right. That's all for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got any queries, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.